national educator.
Hello learner, welcome to our today's primary mathematics revision. I am your teacher Salome. Today we shall explore by looking at question involving change and balance. There are so many times you have gone to the shop and the shopkeeper asks you for change or you ask for balance whenever you're buying things. It's about time we get to know the difference of these two terms. The first one is change. What is change? To change is to convert money into different units, that is, smaller or larger denominations. The next, for example, you have question 1. How many 20 shillings coins are there in 100 shillings? Lana, we are going to give the same amount of money. We are exchanging that money from the 20 shillings coins, and we want to know how many of them are going to be equivalent to 100 shilling note. Okay, so if I have 100 shillings note, how many 20s will I have to get this? Then I have to count 20, another one, another one, another one, and another one. 5 of them. When I add them, I'm going to get 100 shillings. So if I have 100 shillings note and you have 5 20 shillings coins, Lana, then you will be having the same amount as the one that I have. Our example 2. How many 250 shillings notes? How much is 250 shillings note? Again, what do we do, Lana? We put the 50 shillings note together. That is 50 plus 50 to get 100 shillings. So that is change. How about balance? Okay. Balance will involve shopping. You go to a shop, you buy something. After you buy something, you pay with some money. And that money is in excess. So the shopkeeper will give back some money to you. So we can define balance as the money returned by the seller to a buyer who pays for an item using more money than the item costs. Example, Dennis bought a loaf of bread for 40 shillings. He gave the shopkeeper a 50 shilling note. How much balance did he get? All right, so here we have to know how much Dennis spent and how much he gave the shopkeeper. The difference is what we call the balance. So we have 50 shillings, take away the 40 shillings, and we are going to get 10 shillings. So in our case here, Dennis got a balance of 10 shillings. Now let us look at some poll questions that will involve balance and change. And the first one, we are told Njeri bought the following items. He bought 2 kilograms of sugar at 60 shillings, 4 loaves of bread for 160 shillings, 2 exercise books at 30 shillings. The first question comes, how much did she pay in total? So we have to ask ourselves, how much did this person spend in the first place? And that is what the question is asking us. 2 kilograms, 2 kg of sugar, and whenever you see the word at, it means 1. You can also come across the word each, per, or the @ sign.